Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install APK apps on Android. First of all, go for your files or My Files app on your mobile. Then you can see I have an option here which is APKs. So tap on it and you can see three files which is not files also on my, because I don't installed any files here. So you have to just tap on your APK files and you can install your APK files from here. If you don't see this kind of option here, so just go for your internal storage or phone storage, then tap on downloads and you can find your APK files here and you can install this APK file from here. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can install APK files on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.